Imagine getting 10 extra hours every week without working longer. What if AI could handle repetitive tasks, write content, summarize information, and even create presentations for you? In today's video, I'll show you 7 powerful AI websites that can save you hours every week and boost your productivity. Welcome back. If you're a student, freelancer, content creator, or office worker, these AI tools can help you work smarter, not harder. Let's get started. First on the list is ChatGPT. This AI assistant can answer questions, write emails, create content, summarize articles, and help with research. Instead of spending 20 minutes writing an email, simply give ChatGPT a prompt and get a polished draft in seconds. Whether you're studying, working, or creating content, ChatGPT can save several hours every week. Next is Notion AI. If you take notes, manage projects, or organize information, this tool is a game changer. Notion AI can summarize notes, generate task lists, and organize information automatically. Instead of sorting through pages of notes, you get actionable tasks instantly. Simply enter a topic, and Gamma automatically creates professional presentation slides. Grammarly checks grammar, spelling, clarity, and tone in real time. For students and professionals, this tool saves editing time and improves writing quality. Number 4 is Canva AI. Creating graphics used to take hours. Now it can take minutes. Describe what you need, and Canva's AI generates presentations, social posts, thumbnails, and more. Perfect for content creators, marketers, and students preparing presentations. At number 5, we have Perplexity AI. Think of it as an AI-powered research assistant. It provides direct answers along with sources, helping you research faster and verify information. Instead of opening dozens of websites, you get organized answers in seconds. Number 6 is Gamma. Creating presentations manually can take hours. This is a huge time saver for students, teachers, and business professionals. Finally, we have 11 Labs. This AI tool creates realistic voiceovers from text. If you're creating videos, podcasts, or presentations, 11 Labs can save hours of recording time. Many creators now use AI voices to speed up content production. Let's quickly recap the 7 AI websites: ChatGPT, Notion AI, Grammarly, Canva AI, Perplexity AI, Gamma, and 11 Labs. Together, these tools can easily save more than 10 hours every week by automating repetitive tasks and improving productivity. The best part is that most of these tools offer free plans, so you can start using them today. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tools, productivity tips, and online income ideas. Comment below and tell me which AI tool you want to try first. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep using AI to work smarter.